Everyone, today we are going to discuss work done in chemical reaction. Now consider hypothetical reaction of type AA gas plus BB gas gives CC gas plus DD gas. Now this is supposed to be a reaction, I mean hypothetical chemical reaction, and we know very well that the pressure volume work done by the system at constant pressure and temperature is given as W, that is work done, is equal to P external into change in volume. Now by assuming P external is equal to P, we can write this as W is equal to minus P delta V. Now let V1 and V2, let V1 and V2 are volume of initial and final states, I mean that of reactant and products respectively, with number of gaseous moles N1 and N2, that is N1B the number of gaseous moles of reactant and N2B the number of gaseous moles of product respectively. Then according to ideal gas equation, one can give PV is equal to nRT. So for at constant pressure and temperature for reactant, one can write this as PV1 is equal to N1 RT. This is supposed to be 1. And for product PV2 is equal to N2 RT. This is supposed to be 2. So by subtracting equation 2 minus equation 1, we get what? PV2 minus PV1 is equal to N2 RT minus N1 RT. Now this can be given as P into V2 minus V1 is equal to N2 minus N1 RT. Thus P delta V is equal to delta N RT, and delta N is nothing but change in number of gaseous moles, that is number of gaseous moles of product minus number of gaseous moles of reactant. Thus the work done ultimately can be given as W is equal to minus delta nRT. So this is the work done in a chemical reaction. Now if N2, that is number of gaseous moles of product, exceeds the number of gaseous moles of reactant, then delta N comes positive and W is negative. And if number of gaseous moles of product is lesser than that of reactant, that is if N2 is lesser than N1, then delta N comes negative and hence W is positive conventionally. And if N2 equals to N1, that is number of gaseous moles of product is equal to the number of gaseous moles of reactant, then delta N is 0 and therefore W is also 0. Thank you very much.